in the ice cave right now. What is up, you unaverage people? It's your unaverage Joe here. Yeah, man. Today we're in Iceland. I'm actually completing two things on my bucket list: ride and a monster truck. You already know. But I'm completing two things on my bucket list today. The first thing being ride a fucking monster truck. I'm in a fucking monster truck. And the second thing is go ice skating. See 50 Shades of Blue, bro. Going on an ice caving tour with Emilio. We made it to the ice cave. Oh, the jacket's a struggle to put on. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be sick. Oh, it's a windy out here, bro. Woo. That's the bitch we were driving, bro. Look at that.
Welcome to Blood Diamond.
We are in the ice cave right now. It is so, dude, this is the coolest fucking thing ever. Holy, bruh.
Basically, how this cave formed, and how most of this cave formed, is by water. So you see this entrance over here? At one point, the water was coming through over here and out over here. But because we had, the snow coming in so much, it closed off the ceiling. Otherwise, it would be completely full.
It's the most craziest thing I've ever seen, bro. Whoa, what are you guys doing? Yeah. Is it good? Pretty good. Good? Anyways, thanks for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe. Remember, guys, to stay on average. Thanks. I don't know how to end this video.